everyone, I am Parigupta and I am here with my team Smooth Operators. Today we are excited to present our project Safire built for the Generative AI Hackathon 2025. Let's start with the problem. If you are a woman, you might have faced online harassment. If you are a man, you might have seen it happening or maybe even experienced it yourself. On platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter or Instagram, people often share screenshots of harassment they face. And from this, we can clearly see these platforms are still not sensitive enough. That's the urgent problem we wanted to solve. So we created Safire, a browser extension that detects harassment in real time and keeps users safe. Let's scroll through the features. First is hide inappropriate messages. Our AI hides harmful or harassing messages in real time. The harasser doesn't know, but the victim is protected. Now second is hide user, a smart shadow block. The offender can still type messages, but they never reach the victim. Third is tagging harassers. If someone repeatedly harasses multiple users, they get a visible harasser tag, and anyone with the extension can see it, and the community is instantly warned. Fourth is generate reports. With a single click, our AI creates a structured legal report with timelines, analysis, and all evidence ready for HR or legal action. And finally, we also allow keyword blocking. Influencers can add toxic keywords they don't want to see, and those messages are automatically. Okay, so now let's move to the demo part. I'll show you the real-life implementation of all these features. Here on the right, you can see our Safire bot. This is where users can ask anything about our product, how it works, or get help with reporting and onboarding. Let's move to LinkedIn. Let me open my messages. As you can see here, these are some messages that are clearly inappropriate for a professional platform like LinkedIn. Right now the extension is disabled, so the messages are visible. Let me enable the extension and reload the page. Once the extension is enabled, all the inappropriate messages are hidden, both the past ones and the new ones. Even if someone sends a harassing message in real time, it will instantly be hidden if the user wishes. They can toggle to view that what was blocked, otherwise the messages stays hidden by default for their safety purpose. Now that I have logged in, you can see that the other two premium features are report generation and hide user are enabled. Okay, now let's look at legal reports. It includes all the chat messages that were flagged as harassment. Also, if we see here, we have the AI analysis, user details, timestamps. These all things makes it much easier to take action without manually collecting proof. So here, users can view all the hidden messages for their account, as you can see. Now, let's look at the hide user feature. If I hide a user, they won't be notified about it. Like, let me refresh here. They can still send messages, but those messages will never appear on my site. I can also unhide the user from my dashboard if I want to. There's also a keyword section. Users can enter personal keywords like sexy, hangout, the words they don't want to see, and any message containing these words will be automatically hidden before even reaching the AI. Finally, this is a dashboard landing page. Over here, users can see all their hidden messages and also all the hidden users. Then we have the report section with detailed analysis and messages in each report. Then in settings section, users can control options like whether to save screenshots or disable user tagging, or appeal to remove a tag from their own profile if it was applied by mistake. Then we have an option to change the password, and then user can make the changes. Also currently, Safire is live for LinkedIn messages, but next we are expanding to LinkedIn comments, Instagram, and Twitter, and eventually WhatsApp as well. Now, who are the stakeholders? For consumers, Safire means safety and peace of mind. You don't have to see offensive messages, but they still have evidence if needed. For businesses and platforms, Safire builds trust and helps them stay compliant. And for HR teams, legal teams, and admins, Safire simplifies moderation with easy reporting and evidence management. Okay, so now let's look at the home page. As you can see, the tagline is "Stay safe online, hassle-free." That's exactly what Safire is about. Users can install the web extension with just one click and immediately get the protection. Talk about the tech stack divided into three parts: extension, landing page, and backend. For the extension, we used Plasmo, React, TypeScript, and Tailwind CSS along with content script injection, DOM manipulation, Cloudinary, and WebSockets for real-time message handling. The landing page and dashboard are built using Next.js, TypeScript, and Tailwind for a smooth and responsive user experience. And for the backend, we used Node.js, Express, MongoDB, Redis, and WebSockets for fast communication and caching. We also integrated Puppeteer to automatically generate detailed legal reports directly from user data, making the whole process quick and professional. Overall, this tech stack ensures Sapphire runs fast, secure, and efficiently.